Kids, do you know what time it is? Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of October 14th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. The National School Bus Safety and Driver Appreciation Week is next week, October 17th through 21st. Please help us show love and appreciation to our bus drivers. This Wednesday, October 19th, is Unity Day for our school and the entire country. We are standing united against bullying and making sure that no one feels left out. Please wear orange to show your support. Monday, October 24th through Friday, October 28th, is our elementary scholastic book fair. We still need parent volunteers to help out. Shifts are 8:30 to 11 and 11:30 till 2 o'clock. Please send me an email if you can volunteer. Thursday, November 8th is a teacher workday. No school for students. Thanksgiving break is November 21st through the 25th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello PBMA family and welcome back once again. Just a few quick reviews. We had our PSAT for our 10th grade and select 11th grade students yesterday, October 12th. On October 27th, our seniors will be participating in the SAT. They will be bringing home their books next week so that they can have more information on how to create their College Board account. The very next day on October 28th, we'll have our very first dance. We'll have our spooky dance. Tickets are still on sale. Space is very, very limited. So please ensure that your student gets their tickets for the spooky dance. We will have our Title I annual meeting coming up. We'll post more information definitely on Jupiter, and Ms. Cooper will definitely let you know when it's going to take place. This meeting will happen virtually for convenience of all parents so that we can all participate. Out of field letters and notices will be coming home on Friday. I hope you have a great day, PBMA family.
Hello, my PBMA friends. This is Ms. Thomas, your high school counselor, with a few announcements. First and foremost, shout out to my seniors who have already turned in your first quarter graduation check. For my seniors who have not turned in their graduation letters, please, please, please get that into me as soon as possible. My next announcement is we have some college fairs that are coming up. One will be here at our very own Palm Beach Maritime Academy at the end of this month. I will actually send that information in the next few days. Another college fair will be also taking place at the South Florida Fairgrounds in November. I will also send that information as well. And for my last announcement, for students who are interested in dual enrollment for the spring semester, please send me a message and let me know so we can get started on getting all the information that we need so you'll be able to do dual enrollment for the spring semester. That's all I have. Thank you.
Hello, PBMA family. It's Andrew Pont here. It's been a minute since I've been on, but I'm here finally, and I'm here to talk to you about what's coming up next week. It's Bus Transportation Safety Week, and it's also Bus Driver Appreciation Week. Before I speak about that, I just want to give you a heads up or keep you in the loop on how we're doing hiring our teachers. We have several teachers in the process, certified teachers, so real soon we'll have certified teachers in every classroom. On that same note, there's a bus driver shortage too. The district just announced that there are more than 100 bus drivers short. So, we're working hard. Bear with us. We're not alone in this situation. This is a problem the world over. Now, back to Bus Driver Appreciation Week and transportation safety. I've said over the years that the school bus, is a classroom on wheels. It's an extension of the schoolhouse, and the bus driver is the teacher in that classroom. So that said, students, parents, and guardians, please speak to your students about following the safety procedures, staying seated the whole time you're on the bus, using an inside voice so that the bus drivers have no distractions when they're carrying our precious cargo to and from the schoolhouse. All right, on to Bus Driver Appreciation Week. In just a minute, you're going to see some pictures of our wonderful, awesome bus drivers. Next week, we're going to have several things for them, and I encourage you, students and parents and legal guardians, to either send them a note, a message, anything you can do to just show some appreciation. Students, for you, it can simply be by staying seated, following the procedures, being good, saying good morning, good afternoon, and thank you. I'll be back on soon. Have a good week.
Second grade visited bush wildlife. The students learned so much about the native Florida wildlife at the sanctuary. Third grade visited the Kravis Center and saw a play entitled Called It Macaroni. It was about the Revolutionary War. Let's hear all about it. I'm in Miss Boyd's third grade class, and they went to Kravis Center and had a great time this past week. Let's hear all about this field trip.
All right, guys. So can we tell Miss Cooper and the weekly update what the play was that was called that we saw? What was the play called, Natalie? Let me come over to you with the microphone.
And they call it macaroni.
And they called it macaroni. Why was it called and they called it macaroni?
Because when he ride on his horse, he found a feather and then he called it macaroni.
Can we sing the song? Is that okay, Miss Cooper? All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. And so what war was and called it macaroni about? Who can tell me? Ryan, what was it about?
The Great British coming.
The British were coming, but what war specifically? Do you remember?
Revolution.
The Revolutionary War. And in the Revolutionary War, we learned that the American colonists wanted to be free from the 1, 2, 3, the British. And what did Paul Revere say? What did Paul Revere go around and warning everyone? That the British are coming. The British are coming. What were some of our favorite parts? Anyone want to give me one? You got one, Devon?
The flashing lights and the slow motion Revolutionary War, and it was like rainbow, the lights.
There was a fight scene that was rainbow strobe lights. That was super cool. What would you like to add, Alexa?
When the actors were running around.
Yes, the actors came through and they ran through the audience all up and down and through all the different aisles. Joseph, you want to give me one?
Yeah. The cool effect of the cannon.
Ooh, the sound effects. So it was a play and all the sound effects were made by the actors. So they made all their own sound effects. Does anyone have any last one thing they want to share that was their favorite thing about the play? Go ahead, Jace. Move it down.
The lights? No, the act.
The acting? The acting was really good. It was all those same actors, and they kept changing their costumes. It was wonderful. We loved it. Was it the best field trip you guys have been on so far?
Yeah!
Woo! Would we want to go back to the Kravis Center and see another play?
Yeah!
All right, thank you guys so much. Thank you, Ms. Cooper.
Our cheer and football teams have been doing a great job this year. Here are some pictures of them in action.
Start something. 1, 2, 3, start!
This week in secondary art, students studied Leonardo da Vinci, and not just his paintings. They learned about his many inventions. Some are still used today. Students came up with their own inventions, wrote an essay, and sketched preliminary plans for their invention. Then they made the models of their inventions. The students had some really great ideas, such as a robot who cleans your house while you're asleep, a self-cooling jacket, a box you request when you want to eat and it produces the food, a never-ending cookie, mechanical electric windows, a trash buddy, that's a machine that puts all your trash into a bin which condenses the trash into a small ball, a bed that changes and makes itself, a special fishing net in the shape of a circle with hooks embedded in the net, glasses which allow you to take photos and record while you're wearing them, a wheel-shaped hotel in outer space. Here are our star students of the week that demonstrated the characteristic of forgiveness. And finally, here's a message from Miss Sally.
Hello, I'm Miss Sally, the licensed mental health counselor at Palm Beach Maritime Academy, 6th through 12th grade, 2nd campus. I am coming to you today with questions for parents of tweens. And when should I get my kid a phone? This comes up a lot. Now there's a bigger dilemma. When are they ready for social media? By the time they hit middle school, if not before, kids are lobbying to be able to interact with their friends on Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. They feel left out if other kids are allowed to have access to social media and they're not. But there's potential for serious harm if kids aren't mature enough to make good decisions about what to share, who to share it with, and how to handle negative feedback. To help with those decisions, Child Mind Institute checked in with experts on how to know when kids are ready for a phone, what kind of a starter phone might be appropriate for young kids, and how to provide parental controls when kids aren't ready for unfettered access to apps and the internet. The article also discusses when and how to introduce kids to social media, along with tips for monitoring social media use. You can check out that information on the website when I send it to you on Jupiter Ed, coming from Miss Sally, Palm Beach Maritime Academy. Thank you. Have a great day.
Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.